my name is Brandon. I'm doing IT sales. I'm keen to build a steady stream of passive income and be financially independent. I liked how the class was being structured, pretty much distilled and filtered to very easy parts to understand for people who like to know more about investing. I like the part on option trading. I thought that was very interesting, very much distilled down to the very simple terms for new investors. I would recommend VIA to my friends. You can come from the masterclass, listen for yourself about the sharings, and decide if this makes sense for you.